Looking for a WooTechy iSeeker for Android alternative? Some users face auto-renewal issues, instability, or poor Android 14-16 support. In this video, show 8 better options with smoother performance, stronger compatibility, and more reliable recovery. Top 1. Best WooTechy iSeeker for Android alternative. MobiKin Doctor for Android. Reliable recovery depth makes MobiKin Doctor for Android stand out for users who need to retrieve data from both internal storage and SD cards more effectively than WooTechy iSeeker for Android. How to guide. Connect your Android phone or tablet to a computer using a USB cable. The product will automatically recognize the connected device upon launching. Please pay attention to the instructions shown on the interface and confirm that USB debugging is activated. If these conditions have been met, the tool will successfully detect your device. Once your device is acknowledged, move on to the section where you can choose your preferred data types and then click Next to scan. After that, check the items you wish to recover, choose the files, and click Recover to save them to your computer. Top 2. Aiseesoft FoneLab Android Data Recovery. Multiple recovery modes offered by Aiseesoft FoneLab Android Data Recovery allow users to handle various data loss scenarios better than WooTechy iSeeker for Android. Top 3. Tenorshare UltData for Android. Extensive social app data support makes Tenorshare UltData for Android more versatile than WooTechy iSeeker for Android for users who rely heavily on chat platforms. Real-time previewing improves accuracy by allowing users to verify file content before recovery. Top 4. PhoneRescue for Android. User-friendly workflows help PhoneRescue for Android deliver smoother, step-by-step guidance compared to the more technical feel of WooTechy iSeeker for Android. Smart algorithms enhance the quality of recovered media files. Top 5. iToolab RecoverGo Android. A broader file compatibility range enables iToolab RecoverGo Android to handle uncommon data formats better than WooTechy iSeeker for Android. The tool offers a more polished preview environment that makes selecting specific data easier. Top 6. EaseUS MobiSaver for Android. A straightforward interface helps EaseUS MobiSaver for Android reduce the learning curve. When compared with WooTechy iSeeker for Android, better handling of damaged or partially corrupted files increases the chances of recovering usable content. Top 7. Stellar Data Recovery for Android. Professional-grade scanning precision positions Stellar Data Recovery for Android ahead of WooTechy iSeeker for Android when dealing with severe data loss. Top 8. FonePaw Android Data Recovery. Flexible recovery options give FonePaw Android Data Recovery an advantage over WooTechy iSeeker for Android for users who want more control over data selection.